Design Business Masterclass. And I want to believe it's becoming glaring and evident that designing a website is not a rocket science. And I must appreciate as many of you that has been committed to the task, to the class since inception. And some of you that have asked questions, we want to say thank you for everything that you have been doing. And as many of you that you are here to join to engage with the content, I want to beg you, please engage. You have really tried your best to be in this meeting, to be in this class. Some of you have had to pay um, exorbitantly to get into this class. So please make yourself available, avail yourself this opportunity. So today I will continue from where I stopped. I think in the last video there was a glitch somehow towards the end of the video. So I will just retake that part straight away. Then I will design the inner pages today and I will wrap up everything so that by next class I will show you how you can, design website from templates. So I'll just use that one episode to do that so that by the next 3 episodes will be just to wrap up everything. Then I'll also show you the business side of web design. So let me just go over to my dashboard. I actually stopped. I think I have showed you how to export your your page. So here I was sharing with you how to play with your menu. Let me open the website, the home page, so you see what I'm talking about. So I was sharing with you you can easily play around your website and get things done. So I have been able to do this, but I think it did not show. I didn't pick it up. So I want to go back to it to achieve this beautiful header for my website. So I will go over to my dashboard, go to Impeca here. I will go over to theme option. I will go over to theme option. So let me share my screen. Let me share my screen so that you can see what I'm talking about. Let me just share my screen and see what I'm talking about. So let me share my screen. Sorry about that. I think I've shared my screen now. You should be able to see. So I was saying that this is how my web page now get that very colorful and it goes in line with everything that I've designed all through. So I told you that I was able to do that by coming over to my dashboard, then go to Impeca section. Then you see this setting here. So you need to play around this setting. How was I able to come up with this colorful? I was able to do that by coming over to theme headers option. Just click on this theme header option. So with this theme header option, I think I've been able to play around how my menu will look like in the last video. I think I was able to pick this. Let me pick this. Let me pick this as well to see if I'll be able to. Okay, let me pick this and just save the setting. So I've been able to play around all this menu header, menu visibility. Of course, it has to be on. And this underline you see here, when I press, you see this underline here, it was as a result of picking this menu item style here. So just play around it, play around all these settings here. This social media icon you see here, you see it here. This social media redirection tab, call it modal or tab or mega menu that you saw there, is as a result of this guy here, this activation here. If I'm using WooCommerce, I can just enable the, but I don't need to enable it. If I want text to be on top of my header, maybe I want to write my phone number, I can activate this. So just click on this icon here. So this, clicking it will activate a text menu down. Do you see this? This text menu down. I can easily play um, um, here, um, reach us via our hotline. Hotline. So plus 234 8112 352734. So let me just save it. Let me save it. So and try to reload. So you see something around here. This header will have this new feature, this new. So as you can you see it here? So something cool like this on my header. You can see how my header now looks like. Very cool, very fine, and all that. So let me go back to the color. So the way I got the color was going straight to this I think style option. Yeah, I think it's style option. You see um use live color customizer. So let me click. I've clicked on it already. Or you can, same thing, you can also come here and click on customize. It's still the same thing. You'll be redirected to the same page. So let's wait. I don't know why it's slow. Also, I think it's loaded now. So from here, we'll be able to play around colors of our themes. So you are seeing this because we are using another theme. This may not show. Some other theme may be from this their menu, the menu style that you see. I've played with over and over. It may be from there. So, but for Impeca, you have to do it from this styling here. So I want to go to my colors, my header, and my menu here, and I want to click it. Click this color header menu. Then for my light header, I can pick this color. I can pick a color. Of course, it is white. So um okay, sorry, default header, sorry, it's default header. So you see this color here. So let me change it to something like this. So it will change, this header will change. So you use, so you can press publish if you want to. So of course it should change any moment. I can it to be the way I want it. This is the color I picked. So and I like it that way. Then I click play with the colors of this font here. I will go to um um this menu, light header. Let me see if it is this. I think it should be this. So of course it's white. So can just play around all these settings and see the way. Look at how it will play pan out. Look at how it will pan out. So you can, all every color here, you can play around it. So this model here, let's see if I can play with this model here. So this model, this is the model I was talking about, this model here that triggered this. Let me make it red and play around it. But I wouldn't want to choose red anyways. Oh, okay, it's not the one. So it's not the one. So It's not the one. You should just have to play around and see which one works for it. So this back to top, I don't think we have activated it. Okay, this back to top color, this quiz icon here, I can change it. This, it is what we call back to top. So I can change it to another color. Let me pick this color and publish it. So this black color with this blue color that I've picked now. So as you can see, it has changed to this color. So you just play around all these colors, your page transition, your theme intro. You know, we talked about theme intro. So I want to change this background to this blue as well. So, and I want to publish so that anybody that comes to the web will be a blue background and of course on a white text like this. Let me stop. Let me stop here concerning the customization so that I can build the other pages. So I've published it. So now I want to build our, we are done with our home page. Our footer is there. Our header is there. Every of our page setting is there. So I want to play around this. So I will come over here. I will click on this About Us page. So I'll click on it, this link here on About Us. So it will take me to our About Us page. So let me wait while it loads. So um there's a challenge. There's a challenge here. This page should not be displayed. So I think I can come over here and go to um this my page. Let me see if I can try it under pages. So let me click on all pages. Let me see all pages and see what it will bring for me. So this is my About Us page. Let me edit it. Click on edit. um so I want to change that uh the slug is on this. It shouldn't be this. It should be About Us according to this slug here. So let me play around this first. Okay, it's there. This is About Us. Okay, don't worry, I will come back here later. Let me first and foremost even design this first. So let me come over here. So and I'll now click on edit page. Or if I click on edit page, it's going to still show me the or this page that I reloaded back now, the previous page that I cancelled now. So let me just click on edit page here. So like I said, it's going to bring me something like this. So I want to edit with Elementor. So click on edit with Elementor. Uh-huh. So I would not want to now start redesigning my website again for the About Us section. What I will do is that you remember that um I have saved my own page as a template. So I will just come over here to retrieve my own page as a template. So I will come over here, I'll click on this add template here, this icon, add template. You go over to this template here, this template tab. So you see this my home page. You pick it and you click on insert. Then you click on apply. so so in less than 30 minutes, I will build all the pages. All the other inner pages have built it. So with this, that's why you could see that I focus my attention on the home page. Once I get the home page right, it will be easier for me to work on the other pages. So now what I want to do is to delete befitting for an home page. So I want to delete some of them, so that I will just have content that is suitable for my home, and pick which one we feel should not be here. So let me delete this. Um, um, I will want to let me get down. I'll pick it and drag it down, 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 down. Let it go down. So where is it now? I hope it has gone down. Let me go up again. I think it has gone down. So it's still here. So let me drag it down a little again. Let it go down. Let me place it here first. So what other thing do I need to remove? I think this white track text should come up, or our vision and mission should come up. Or what do you think? So I'm going to take this our mission and vision. Uh, so I'm trying to look for, let me click on this structure. So, okay. I want to use this structure here to easily drag these things up. So what is this structure here? So I want to drag it up. So as I drag it here, it will go up. Should go up. I feel that our vision and mission should go up first. Should go up. So let me drag it uppermost. So it should be up now. Then I'm going to drag the accordion too. Where's the accordion? This accordion design for it. Where is it? Oh, it's accordion design. So I'm going to drag this as well. So it has activated it. I'm going to drag it to be under it. So do you see that? So already I have our vision, then our mission, then white track tech is there, should be there. Then our core service also should be there. Feature product, maybe, maybe not. So let me just stop it. Then our work speaks for us. Let me leave it. Then I will remove this, reaching us. I will remove this. should not be part of the so with this I have a very colorful our vision and mission. So I will just click on publish. So let me see if I can play around with this page settings. This page settings. This page settings. Let's see if I can. Okay, it's there. Okay, it's there already. Okay, so I think we are good to go. So I'll click on publish. So that's so we are done with our about us page. Let's take another page. So let's go back to our home page. So we click on exit to WordPress. So come and click on exit to WordPress so that we'll go back to our home page. So so that's on about us page. So let me click on this icon again to go back to view pages. So we now go to and work with contact us page as well. Contact us page. Click on edit. So one thing I also may want to do is to add my feature image and let's put an image and see how our page will look like anyways. So let me pick this and let me use it as our featured image. Click on set feature image, cancel. So our featured image. So I will now click on edit with Elementor. So leave. So we are now still going to do the same thing for our start us page. So you come over here, click on this icon here that says add template, click on it, go to templates, then you go and pick your piece here, then you insert it into the contact us page. So the page element sections will be populated on the contact us page. Then we now remove the sections that does not speak or that does not carry contact us page. So that's what we want to do. So we want to delete this. Still loading. So let's allow it to load. So I will remove this. It's not what I want. This also is not what I want. It's also not what I want. We don't need this for a contact us page. We don't need this. We don't need this as well. We don't need it. We don't need it. We don't need this. 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 We don't also need this ones here. Contact us. We don't need this. So I think what we need is this. Reaching us is not rocket science. So something cool like this will be fine. Um, I have this. I can also let me teach you how to create forms. I hope I'll be able to do this. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. It's under premium. But let's use this contact us form. Oh, so it's telling us that we have to set up our form. So what I want to do is to go back here. So I will still come back here. Let me publish this first so that I won't. So let me come back here to our dashboard and see um, um, we can let me just show you how to create forms. So let me go over and download a contact us form. So go to plugins, add plugins. I have different types of um, plugins that can create forms for you. So just come over here and type contact form. So pick the first one because it is that one that is compatible. Contact form 7 is compatible in Pekka. So I'm going to pick it. So I'm going to pick contact form 7. So you can see contact form 7. So I'm going to install it. So just follow me. It's not hard at all. It's not hard at all. See this contact form has over 10 very powerful tool. But I seldom use it. I don't always use it. I love to use WP forms or these fluent forms because I can easily get their Ninja form, can easily get their Node plugins. So activate it. Let me see if I'm still online now. I think I'm still online. So just click on activate. So once it activates, I will now go and create my form. So you should see contact here. You can see it here, contact. So you now go to add contact form. So just enter here and say, give it a name, track tech contact form. The only challenge, that's why I don't really use this, is the fact that you may need to just play around this. Um, it's not user it's not really user friendly when it comes to playing around it. So just leave it the way. This is how your form will look like. Your name, your email, the subject, then your message. How I wish, let me add phone number here so that the person can drop their phone number. Let me click on enter here. Don't worry, we are doing a little bit of coding. So click on, I think there should be telephone here. So telephone field, yes. Uh-huh. So let me put then and click on it. Just leave it the way it is and click on insert tag. So um, I want to make sure that this is well labeled. So let me play around this first. Let me say sorry. Control Z. Um, Label your phone number. Your phone number in bracket, preferably WhatsApp. Sorry, we are doing a little bit of coding. Then after this here, after this short this code here, then you type this, you close the label tab, the label tag, so it should display normally like others. So phone number and all that. So you just click on save. Just click on save. So you can also play around the message you want people to receive when they fill your form. They fill the message form. You can also play around it. You also, if you want to receive notification, can play around this as well. So then the integration as well. That one is an advanced one, So I may not be able to take that during this course because of time constraint. But be rest assured that one of these days I should create a free course to make it done. So let's look at contact form and look at the form we have created. So look at this form now. I have created this form. So I'll come over here. There are two ways of adding this form to this my page. I can use what we call a short code. This short code, I can use it. I can also use um this form selector here. So remember that this is not working because I just created the form. So I may need to refresh this so that my Impeca will understand that I have installed contact form 7. So it will be able to pop. So let's wait while it loads. So it should have loaded now. It should be loaded now. So let me come over here again. So this is the form. You see it drop down now. So you just pick on TrackTech contact form. Can you see that? So, but I don't like the way it is. I may want to just recalibrate it. Let me make it a 2-column stuff. So let me click on this to activate this, add new, then flexbox. Let me pick something like this. So let me find an image and put it here. Image, put it here. Then I'll drag this form to this second column here. Yeah. Let's drag it. It's not working. Okay, this is what I will do. Let me just close this and pick Impeca form again. This is Impeca contact form. Let me drag it here. Then I'll select the form, contact form, TrackTech contact form. So should be fine now. So let me pick an image to make it colorful and a bit better. Let me pick this. What I want to do also is to bring an animated header here. Let me type animated text. So where is it? Okay, I want it to be above this, so I'll just drag it up. Uh-huh. So I want to type Ctrl Z, drop, drop us a mail. Drop us a mail if you can. So let me make this a very colorful. I want to make it, I don't like this white background. I want to give it a color. So I'll come over to advanced and I'll go to background. I want to give it classic. Let me give it a blue background, something like that. So, so this also, I can make this subtitle text. Yeah. And make this maybe H2. Let's see how it's going to be for me. It's not working. Let me make it H2. Okay, I think it's fair. Let me put it at the middle. Drop a mail for us. And I also want to play around this as well to make it better. This here, I'll just click on this edit here. Then I'll go to advanced. I want to toy with this margin. I want to toy with this margin. Make it 25. This padding as well. Make it 5. Let's play with the background. Let's play with the background. Let's play with the background. It's gonna break my side. So let me just leave it the way it is. Let me leave it the way it is. So let me play with the border as well. Let me give it a box shadow. It's not gonna work. I don't like it. I don't like the way it is. Solid. So maybe you just look at the way it is. So let me just leave it as 5 or 3 or 1. Let me just leave it at 1. Then this border box, let me leave it to default. Then this my layout, let me take it back to default. Let me take it back to default. Okay, let me just make it 5. So then I'll click on publish. Click on publish. So let's leave a page. So lastly, I want to show us how to create a blog post. So this is how our contact us page like. So the person can drop their number, then type, I want to tell you something optional. Enter a valid email, sorry, track tech. So I have done that now. Yeah, they are not serious. Track tech at Nigeria at gmail.com. So click on submit. So it may take some. Oh, there's an error trying to send your message. So there are still some settings that we need to carry out, but maybe I'll come back to that much later. Now we have designed our about us page. Uh-huh. This is our about us page. Then we have designed our contact us page. Then our blog now. Click on the blog. Click on blog. Go to ChatGPT. So I will tell my ChatGPT to write for me a 400 word. Okay. I will just tell it to write a 700 words. Oh, so write a 700 word article on how to make money as a web designer. 700 word S unique, unique, SEO friendly article on how to make money in Nigeria. Let me give it context. Nigeria. So I'm now going to use it as a blog post. So I will come over here. So there's nothing on this blog post. So I'll come over here, I'll click on this new here, then I'll click on post. Click on post. Click on post. Sorry. So see, okay. I'm going to copy all this. Control C. Now I'm going to paste it here. Control V. So that's written my blog post for me. So I'm going to take this title here, Control X, out it. Okay, let me leave it. Let me also put it here, Control V. I want to put my featured image here. Set feature. Okay, let me bring it again so I won't be fast. Set feature image, media library. So just pick an image or you upload any image. I pick this, set as feature image. Then you can also add images to these sections. So for example, if I want to add image below this, I'll just click on this side here. Yeah. No. That's not what I want to do. This icon here. Click on it. Then you search for image. Okay, it's already here. So I can upload image from media library. So let me pick this image and select it. So and let me click on publish. So what I'm doing on this local server is what you want your live server. So it's going to work and we'll view our page. So this is our page, view post. So this is our page. This is our blog page. How to make money as a web designer in Nigeria. So you can see. So all those blogging you see, this is how to just do it. Just play around it. So when you go over to this blog page here, you will see this article here and this other article here. So as you read more articles, it will be updating on this page. So there's another issue that I want to treat. This page ID, it shouldn't be page ID. I want it to be their real name, the page name itself, not this page ID tag. So I'll come over to use this to my dashboard. Come over to my dashboard. So what do I do? My dashboard. Then I go to my settings. Then I go to permalinks. So please don't forget these settings. Permalinks. So I want to change my permalink structure to this post name. Do you see that? Post name. That's what I want. Then I save changes. So with this, everything should be corrected. I want to believe. So let me go back to my site. Let me go back to my site. So you now see, let me click on it. You now see that the page ID, if I click on about us, it will be that about us that I did. Remember when we were creating our menu? That is what it will be there. Can you see now? It's now about us. The blog will now be team local slash my first website slash blog. So let's click on blog. So this URL, that's basically how to design a website from scratch. I'm just using this so that you can practice and you can find your way around it. You can do much better as you continue to practice and you start seeing results at the end of it. So let me stop here because of time. So in the next class, I will show you how to edit templates, edit it, add your own image, add your own text. So we'll do that in that class. And then after that, we'll wrap up and we'll go into the business of web design. So thank you so much once again for your time. I am very grateful for having you around. I hope to see you again in the next class. Please practice. Do well to practice. It will not kill you. Rather, it's going to make you better. Practice. Take time to practice. You know, if you don't understand the step, ask questions. Ask questions. It's going to help you at the end of the day. So thank you so much. And I will see you in the next session. Bye for now.